Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn the pronunciations for the letter J and the letter K. The letter J in Spanish is J. Repeat with me, J. And it has a sound very similar to the H in English. So it has a H sound. With the syllables, it sounds like this. Ja, he, he, ho, who. Again, ja, he, ho, who. And that is exactly how you will pronounce those syllables when you see them in words in Spanish. Let's learn some words. Jabón, jabón. Soap. Jefe, jefe. Boss. Jirafa, jirafa. Giraffe. Joven, joven. Young. Jugo, jugo. Juice. So this is a complicated letter for English speakers because automatically you want to say the J sound, like Japan, for example. We have to understand that we don't have that sound in Spanish. Something that we often see in social media is this. That is the onomatopoeia for a laugh. It is the Spanish version of this, and it's pronounced ja, ja, ja. Let's move on to the letter K. In Spanish, K. Say it again, K. This letter has the same sound as in English, the K sound. We have it in the Spanish alphabet for the use of words that are coming from foreign languages. And we use it to respect the spelling of those words. The syllables are ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Again, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. And that is how you will read them. Some examples. Karaoke, karaoke. Karaoke. Kerosene, kerosene. Kerosene. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Koala, koala. Koala. Kurdo, kurdo. Kurdish. There are some instances where the words are adapted to Spanish and the K is replaced by a Q or a C. All depends. But maintaining the original spelling, it's okay. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, let's go to the exit ticket before you go. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Joven, jabón, jo, que, jefe. I hope you did great, and I will see you in the next lesson.